early voting pledging has been our big issue and topic, getting people pledged that they're going to vote early and to get them out early to vote and to show them the simplicity of early voting, how easy it is to early vote rather than going on the day. The day you go, if you go on the day you go, you have to find your precinct, you have to go to the right place, and you have to be on the roll, make sure that you're on the roll, and make sure that if you have moved to something, you have to go back to where you was living before. When you early vote, all you have to do is just walk in any place that has early voting, have a state ID or driver's license, and you can vote. Well, historically, it's always a drop-off in midterm elections. That's just historically it's been there. So historically, if we can bring out just a little bit more than been coming out in the past, we're doing good. Show them the importance of the election. You know, the presidential election brings a whole different flavor to it because it's a national election, it's a national campaign. Now we're dealing with local issues and local politicians, so it's hard to get them to resonate and to, you know, fill the election. I'm pushing that.